Hi guys, welcome to SL Smart Mind YouTube channel. Today I am going to show how to solve a 3x3 cube very easily. I think this video will be important for beginners and who needs to solve a Rubik's cube without any formula or without any algorithm. So without any delay, let's just move to the video. So your first step is to take a cube into your hand and just mix it. Okay, after mixing, open your Google or any web browser in your phone or laptop. After opening, type RUBIK'S and search. So when you search, you may see there are many results. You just need to click on the first result. So wait, it is still loading. Okay, after it loads, you can see a colorless cube and 6 rectangular color plates like this: red, blue, yellow, green, white and orange. So now take your mixed cube and just pick any layer, and I just click on the blue and fill the pieces where the blue color should go. So I'll just show another color. Click on the red, yellow, so you could just put as your mixed cube. So make sure you fill all these pieces before doing the next step. Okay, this is my finished mixed cube. I just filled every piece of the colorless Rubik's cube as my mixed cube. So after you have filled every color, there is a small button called solve. Just click on that. So if you have not done any mistake in putting the color into the correct piece, you can see something ready to solve. Hold your puzzle as shown below. So it's really important to hold your Rubik's cube in your hand as this figure and hit next. So it says turn. Our step 1 is to turn the left layer 180. Okay, I'll turn it for 180. Okay. Next, turn the back layer 90 degrees clockwise. Okay. Turn the top layer 180 degrees. Okay. Turn the right layer 180 degrees. Turn the back layer 90 degrees counterclockwise. Turn the bottom layer 90 degrees clockwise. Okay. Turn the right layer 90 degrees clockwise. Okay. Turn the left layer 90 degrees clockwise. Done. Turn the top layer 90 degrees clockwise. Turn the right layer 90 degrees counterclockwise. Turn the left layer 180 degrees. Turn the front layer 90 degrees counterclockwise. Turn the right layer 180 degrees. Turn the front layer 90 degrees counterclockwise. Turn the right layer 180 degrees. Okay, done. Turn the back layer 90 degrees clockwise. Okay. Turn the top layer 180 degrees. Okay. Turn the back layer 90 degrees counterclockwise. Turn the right layer 180 degrees. Okay. Turn the left layer 180 degrees. So okay, our final step. Turn the back layer 90 degrees clockwise. Okay, you solved a cube. Even the mixed cube in my hand is also solved. So I think even your cube is solved by now. So if you like my video, make sure to subscribe, like and share. Or if there's any doubt, please put a comment on the comment box. So until I see you next time on my next video, bye.